For countless generations, humanity has gazed up at the moon, awed by its steady presence and shifting phases. Poems, myths, and scientific theories have been inspired by its consistent dance across our night sky. Yet, for all the romance and wonder it conjures, half of the moon has remained a source of fascination and speculation, a mysterious face never seen from Earth. The far side, often mistakenly called the dark side of the moon. But what really lies there, beyond the reach of our eyes and for much of history, beyond the grasp of our technology? Let's journey together to explore the truths, the mysteries, and the revelations about the far side of the moon. Throughout history, the phrase dark side of the moon has ignited both creative imaginations and pseudo-scientific speculations. Some believed it was a realm shrouded in perpetual darkness, home to ancient secrets or alien civilizations. Music and film have used it as a metaphor for the unknown or the unexplored reaches of the human psyche. In reality, dark side is a misnomer. The moon is tidally locked to the Earth, presenting the same face to us at all times. As a result, the far side is simply the hemisphere that faces away from Earth, receiving daylight and night in equal measure as the moon orbits our planet. It is perhaps no more dark than the face we see illuminated above us each night. Yet, for centuries, it remained a true enigma. Human curiosity was repeatedly stoked by the possibilities of ancient lunar civilizations, secret alien bases, or even hidden resources just out of sight on the moon's reverse. With no way to observe its contours, anything seemed possible. It wasn't until the dawn of the space age that these flights of imagination could be separated from scientific reality. The milestone came in 1959, when the Soviet spacecraft Luna 3 captured the world's first images of the far side of the moon. These blurry, black-and-white photographs revealed a realm both familiar and strange. Unlike the near side, with its broad, dark plains known as Maria, the far side appeared with a rugged tapestry of mountains and craters, stark, ancient, and pockmarked by eons of cosmic impacts. Scientists were bewildered. The far side lacked the large Maria that so clearly defined the face of the moon as we see it from Earth. Why was the landscape so different? The answer, scientists learned, lay deep within the moon's composition and its history. Billions of years ago, the moon's near side was bombarded by asteroids that fractured its crust, allowing magma to well up and fill those basins, creating the dark and relatively smooth Maria visible from Earth. The far side, however, has a much thicker crust, making it harder for magma to reach the surface and take on the same appearance. As a result, the far side is dominated not by sweeping plains, but by highlands and impact scars. This stark difference prompted new questions, leading to deeper investigations and even more sophisticated missions. In the 6 decades since those first images, our understanding has grown immensely. Orbiters, landers, and remote sensing technologies have mapped the far side in exquisite detail. We've discovered the largest known crater in our solar system right there, the South Pole Aitken Basin. At over 1,600 miles across and several miles deep, it is a scar from a colossal impact billions of years ago. This basin holds clues about the moon's internal structure and may even reveal secrets about the early solar system itself. Moreover, the far side of the moon has become a coveted destination for astronomers and space agencies seeking to study the universe in new ways. The far side is shielded from interference caused by Earth's radio transmissions, creating an unusually quiet zone for radio astronomy. No signals from Earth's crowded communications networks reach this hidden region, making it an ideal place to search for cosmic whispers from the earliest epochs of the universe. Projects have been proposed to one day establish radio observatories on the far side, unveiling cosmic phenomena previously undetectable from our noisy home planet. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission accomplished a new first. It became the only spacecraft to successfully land on and explore the far side of the moon. Outfitted with a suite of scientific instruments and even a tiny biological experiment, Chang'e 4 has offered humanity a close-up look at this shadowed hemisphere. The rover, named U-22, has traveled across the lunar dust, sending back data and images that continue to refine our knowledge of this ancient landscape. Amidst the craters and rocks, Chang'e 4 even found evidence of material that may have originated from the moon's mantle, exposed by the titanic impact that created the South Pole Aitken Basin. Yet for all these advances, the mysteries are far from solved. The moon's far side presents as many riddles as it does answers. What is the true origin of the difference between the near and far side's crustal thickness? Why is one side far more active geologically than the other? And could there still be resources, water ice, rare minerals, or something altogether unexpected, awaiting further exploration? Science fiction and conspiracy theories have long used the far side as a blank slate for wild speculation. Some imagine alien bases, ancient ruins, or relics of a forgotten past. While these stories fire our imagination, the reality, uncovered by diligent exploration, is no less inspiring. The far side of the moon is a place of immense natural beauty and scientific promise, a unique archive of the moon's long, tumultuous interactions with our solar neighborhood. Looking to the future, the far side may play a key role in humanity's journey beyond Earth. As plans for crude lunar bases take shape, explorers may one day establish observatories, mining operations, or even habitats on the far side. Here, insulated from the persistent hum of Earth's technology, humans might gaze up at a pristine, jet-black sky filled with undimmed stars, a view unspoiled by the bright face we know so well. Ultimately, the far side of the moon serves as a powerful symbol, a reminder that even in the age of satellites and instant information, there are still hidden corners awaiting discovery. Our appetite for answers, driven by curiosity, creativity, and the indomitable spirit of exploration, propels us ever onward. What's really there on the dark side of the moon? Rugged mountains, cosmic history, sunlit plains, and the boundless allure of the unknown. These truths are compelling enough to inspire the next generation of dreamers, scientists, and explorers who will one day set foot upon its ancient, silent ground.